So what we are going to be doing today is a topic called as anatomy shorts, right? So this is a series for this week, anatomy shorts, right? Brought to you by Unacademy on the YouTube channel Let's Crack NEET PG, where you have the top educators, quality content, and you guys are assured a great learning experience, right? So welcome to the channel Let's Crack NEET PG. My name is Chetanya Mittal. I am currently pursuing my MBBS at AIMS New Delhi. So let's move on to today's topic. So I would like to welcome you to this session on embryology shorts, that is on the topic of catch 22, right? Catch 22. That's actually a mnemonic, right? So it's going to be a very short session, and this will be very useful for you guys, for especially for your entrance NEET PG, or even if you are learning your concepts, whether it is for pathology or embryology, whichever way you are learning, it's going to be really useful for you. So whenever I think of catch 22, right? So this club soda always used to come to my mind. Okay, but if it is also coming to your mind, so make a perception change. Okay, otherwise I know it costs rupees 15, but just think in your mind that this costs rupees 22. Okay, so that will help you keep the mnemonic in your mind, catch 22. Okay, this is kind of to create a visual image in your mind. Okay, so what is catch 22? It is actually the very famous mnemonic for DiGeorge syndrome. For which syndrome? DiGeorge syndrome. Now DiGeorge syndrome, what is the anomaly? The anomaly is that there is abnormal migration of neural crest cells. Abnormal migration of neural crest cells, right? Abnormal migration of neural crest cells. So it is basically at its embryological origin a defect of neural crest cells. When we discuss neural crest cells, we'll also discuss it in a slight more detail. But catch 22, if you discuss what is the expansion of catch 22, okay? So C for cardiac anomalies, C for cardiac anomalies, A for abnormal facies, T for absence of thymus and anomaly of T cell, C for cleft palate, H for hypocalcemia, and 22 stands for the fact that it is due to a microdeletion in the 22nd chromosome. It is due to a microdeletion in the second chromosome. Okay, so now how you can understand it slightly more logically. ठीक है, ये तो mnemonic की बात हो गई है ना, एक तरफ हो गई mnemonic की बात. Now if you want to genuinely understand it, you have to understand what are the derivatives of the neural crest cells. Okay, so I'm not going into a detailed list because we'll cover that as a separate lecture. But neural crest cell का एक derivative होता है आपका your basically your facial bones, your facial dermis, and all of that. So that is why one of the features is abnormal faces, right? Remember from A you had abnormal faces. Okay. The conotruncal septum of the heart, that is also coming from the neural crest cells, right? So that is why you can also have cardiac anomalies, which was starting from C, right? Cardiac anomalies. Then if you remember, neural crest cells, they were also going into the ultimobranchial body, and they were giving rise to what? They were giving rise to parathyroid, C cells, or the parafollicular cells. They were giving rise to the parafollicular cells or C cells. Okay, so they have a role with calcium balance, right? And what was the point with H? H was hypocalcemia, right? Hypocalcemia. So although this will seem a little counterintuitive, because parafollicular cells or C cells, they're going to release calcitonin, and that reduces calcium. Okay, but you can remember it is related to calcium. And how I remember it is that there is going to be seizure or tetany, neonatal seizure or tetany, and that is one thing, right? Now, what are the other things that can happen? You can have a cleft palate, again related to your facial development, and you have thymic aplasia, right? So that is how you correlate DiGeorge syndrome, which is at the heart of embryology and defect of the neural crest cells. And the mnemonic for that is catch 22, a very beautiful mnemonic to remember everything. And that's the visual I want you guys to create in your head. Okay, and I want you to remember catch 22 related to DiGeorge syndrome. Okay, so that's all for today's lecture. That brings us to an end of today's class. Right, so I would like to thank you guys for watching this particular video. So I hope you guys have downloaded the Unacademy learning application. You guys can use my referral code Chetanya10 to unlock the free plan on Unacademy, because you will need an invite code. You will need an invite code for that, and you guys can use my invite code for that particular purpose. So telling you a little bit about the subscription, we have some of the top educators who are teaching live on Unacademy, and they're making plus courses for you. So these plus courses are paid courses, as you can see, and you will need a subscription to access these courses. At the same time, we have free of cost special classes that are available for you guys. Okay. So what is the details of the subscription? I'll just come to that. Before that, I want to tell you that Unacademy is a one-stop solution for your NEET PG preparation needs. We are introducing batch courses that are live classroom experience. Okay. Now you are having regular testing with special tests and weekly tests. And besides that, we have a doubt clearing feature which no one else has, a dedicated ask a doubt feature. Okay. Besides that, if you look at it, the Unacademy subscription, you can access it from your laptop, you can access it from your smart devices, TV and all. So you have less exposure or strain on your eyes. We've started batches for NEET PG, we have started batches for INI CET, we have batches going on for Next, and we have batches going on for FMG. So they just started this month, and you guys can catch up with these batches. We have an MCQ question bank that has over 34,000 plus questions, right? So you can, on all of these questions, they are made by experts, they are verified by experts and toppers, and you guys can crack your examination if you solve these question banks, right? So Unacademy will provide you flexibility in your schedule, in the language, in the number of times you guys can practice, right? So you also have a very amazing chat feature, and you have the option of interactive polls and the ability to learn anytime, anywhere you want. So just go ahead and download the Unacademy learning application. You know to use my invite code, register. We have two kinds of subscriptions. One is the Unacademy Plus subscription, and the second is the Unacademy Iconic subscription. And in the Iconic subscription, you will get access not only to Unacademy, not only to all the benefits I've just told you, but also to Prep Ladder. And if you talk about Prep Ladder, you have recorded premium video lectures. You have the updated question bank, that is question bank 3.0 coming soon, right? And rapid revision course. Along with this, you will also get handwritten notes. Otherwise, आप notes वगैरह खरीदते हो, 7-8,000 you will spend on that minimum, right? During your MBBS, you will spend that amount. So it's better you get it once. Okay, so you will get the Iconic subscription, and right now we have an offer going on. That's a limited time offer going on for the Iconic subscription. You have to use my referral code Chetanya10, and you will be able to take the 3-year plan. You will be able to take the 3-year plan for a cost that is less than 60,000, right? The 2-year plan, it's for almost 50,000, and the 1-year plan, it's for 40,000, and this is for the first 500 users only. So take it with my referral code and be one of the first 500 users to take this. And right now, in earlier, this was earlier for 92,000, so you're getting a discount of over 30, it's almost 35,000, right? So go ahead, take this, discuss it with your parents, and you will get access to both platforms, Unacademy and Prep Ladder. So Unacademy will do the role of a live class, and Prep Ladder will give you all the recorded content and all the question banks that you need to access. Okay, so it's a very synergistic deal. And if you want to take the Plus subscription, if you want to try it out, we have a 3-month offer, right? If you take the 3-month subscription, you will automatically get 1 month free, but you have to use my referral code Chetanya10 for that, right? So that's the referral code to use. And if you want to take the Plus subscription for a longer duration, that is, let's say if you already have Prep Ladder, you can go for the 1-month subscription, that is for 4,500. You can go for the 1-year subscription for 25,000. The 3-month subscription I just told you about is for 11,000. 2 years is for 36,000, and the 3-year subscription is for 45,000. That is after discount using my referral code Chetanya10, right? So at the end, I would like to thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Remember to hit the like button for the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel Let's Crack NEET PG. Share this video as much as possible with your friends. Okay, and do remember to drop a comment on this video also. And you can use, you can also you take maximum advantage of the Telegram channel that is there. The link is also there in the description. It's t.me/Let's Crack NEET PG. You can simply search for Let's Crack NEET PG on Telegram, and you'll be able to find it. So do remember to subscribe to that channel, because you'll be able to follow all the educators together. You'll be able to get the notes. You'll be able to get the links for the sessions both on the Unacademy platform as well as the YouTube platform, right? And also remember to hit the bell icon for notifications. Chetanya10 is my referral code. Please remember to use it either if you are unlocking the free plan or if you are taking any subscription, whether it be a Plus subscription or a Iconic subscription, right? Thank you so much, guys, for watching.